you need to make sure to check the level of your oil on your car often. And so first, we want to find the dipstick. So it's right here. And first, just take it out. And I want to wipe it off with a rag. Now, I always have a few rags in my garage. I even have one in my car often, so I can check it whenever I need to. You just want to reinsert it into the hole. You want to make sure it goes all the way in. And you just take it back out. Check what the level is. And you can see those two lines. Those two lines are for minimum and maximum level on the safe level of your oil. It should be between those two lines. As you can see right now it is. So we're all set. You can just go ahead and put that back in. We don't need to add any oil right now. Shouldn't need to anytime soon. But we'll see how it goes the next time we check it. But if we were to need to add oil, you can just find the oil cap right here. You can see it takes 0.20. So you can go to any auto parts store, any like O'Reilly's or AutoZone, anything like that. Even Walmart sells oil now. You just make sure you get the right oil, add some in there, check your level with the dipstick again, and you should be all set.